Hi, I'm Nathan from Melbourne Electric Bicycles, based in St Kilda. Want to introduce you to a bike that we bring in from Germany, a Velo de Ville AEB 890 auto belt. Velo de Ville is a German-based company. It's been established in 1966. It's a third-generation family-owned business. They make bespoke bikes and beautiful hand-finished bikes, and this is one of those. This is the Rolls-Royce. As the name suggests, it has a belt, which is the carbon gates drive, which it makes it quieter and lower in maintenance. It also has an automatic Enviolo gear changing system. And what that means is that you just choose what speed you want your legs turning over, and it will change the gearing to make sure that you maintain that consistently. If you're going up a hill, it'll make it easier for you. If you're going down a hill, it'll make it harder. So it maintains the riding ability, and it's a lot easier, a bit like an automatic car. You just get in and ride. What it has is a Bosch performance line system, the new smart one. It has 75 Newton meters of torque. It is a high quality system with a beautiful display. This has the Kiox 500 display, which is larger than most standard Kiox displays. So if you do have issues with being able to see or read writing, this is a beautiful color, bright display. It has the traditional Bosch remote on the side, which you don't have to take your hands off to change things like power level, to see what speed you're going, battery level, range, etc., etc. It does have good quality hydraulic disc brakes. Stopping power is fantastic in this bike. The gearing, as I've mentioned, is that Enviolo automatic system, and that's this part on the back. All the workings are inside, so the maintenance on these systems are much lower than your traditional derailleur system, which has everything on the outside, so dust, dirt and grime gets into them. On this, it's all internal. It also, when you stop, it'll power down to a lower gear to make it easier for you to take off, so you don't have any hassles or anything to work out how and what and where to do that. The lights on this bike are high quality LEDs integrated into the battery, both the front, which is very bright, and the rear LED. The saddle is a high quality Selle Royale wide saddle with a good suspension seat post. So the comfort is there. These bikes are generally a little bit more upright. Certainly you can be very upright, or by adjusting the head stem, you can make it a little bit further down. A very, very comfortable riding position. The tires on this bike are 2-inch. And they're Schwalbe marathon tires. It has a good level of protection from puncture, and that 2 inches makes it very steady and very stable and has that extra comfort as well. On the rear, it has a good quality rack with the spring loading. The rack is a mixed system, and what that means is that there are different things that you can get that integrate into that rack, things like dog carriers, baskets, trunk bags, etc. They just go straight into this rack. This is the Rolls-Royce of bikes. I am Nathan from Melbourne Electric Bicycles. Please come in, test ride, or give us a call for more information. Thank you.